Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to 7th standard. In 7th standard, I will be taking your English subject. This is our English textbook. Before we proceed our first lesson, I'll ask you a question. So listen carefully and answer. What are the types of tense? टेंस के कितने प्रकार हैं? टेंस मीन्स काल. काल के कितने प्रकार हैं? टेंस के कितने प्रकार हैं? Yes, there are 3 types of tense, that is past tense, present tense and future tense. Today we will learn our first poem, and the name of the poem itself is Past, Present, Future. I'll recite this poem for you. You all listen carefully and learn. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thy. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. The poet is Emily Bronte. Now children, I will introduce you the meaning of new words used in the poem. Just pay attention here. First stanza is, tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thy. Thy. Underline this word, thy. आपको जो भी न्यू वर्ड्स हैं वो अंडरलाइन करना है पेंसिल से, और फिर मैं आपको उसकी मीनिंग बता रही हूँ, ध्यान से सुनना है. Thy means you, तुम. An autumn evening soft and mild. Autumn. New word is autumn here. Autumn means what? The season that comes between summer and winter. समर और विंटर के बीच का एक पीरियड होता है जिसको हम ऑटम सीजन भी कहते हैं. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Sigh, S-I-G-H-S, sigh. Sigh is also a new word which has arrived here in this poem. The meaning of sigh is to let out long breath to show that you are tired. जब हम थक जाते हैं तो हमारी थकान दिखाने के लिए हम लंबी सांस लेते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं sigh. That means to take a long breath to show that you are tired. Next word is mournfully. Mournfully means what? To show sadness. अपना अनहैप्पीनेस, सॉरोज दिखाना, स्पेशली व्हेन समवन इज़ डाइड. एट दैट टाइम हम अपना सॉरोज दिखाते हैं. फॉर सेकेंड वर्ड फॉर सॉरो कैन बी मोurnfully. टेल मी व्हाट इज़ द प्रेजेंट आर. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. टेल मी व्हाट इज़ द प्रेजेंट आर, अ ग्रीन एंड फ्लावरी स्प्रे, वेयर अ यंग बर्ड सिट्स गैदरिंग इट्स पावर टू माउंट एंड फ्लाई अवे. माउंट. Mount is also a new word, and the meaning of mount is to organize something. कोई चीज़ों को organize करना, gather करना, इकट्ठा करना. And last stanza. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun. Beneath. Beneath means at lower position, under something. किसी चीज़ के नीचे lower position को हम कहते हैं beneath. A mighty. Mighty means strong, powerful. Glorious, dazzling. Dazzling means what? Bright, chamkila. A mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. Infinity, underline this word also. Infinity means space or time without end. कोई भी space हो, जगह हो या कोई time हो जिसका कोई end ना हो, जिसका कोई limit ना हो, उसको हम कहते हैं infinity. Now children, I will explain this poem. Just pay attention here. As you all know, the name of the poet is Emily Bronte. Emily Bronte, he has presented this poem in the form of a dialogue between a poem and a happy child. Emily Bronte ने ये पोएम एक डायलॉग फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट किया है और वो डायलॉग पोएट और एक हैप्पी चाइल्ड के बीच में है. फॉर द चाइल्ड इन द पोएम द पास्ट वॉज प्लेजेंट टाइम. जो पास्ट टाइम था, पहले का टाइम था, दैट टाइम वॉज वेरी प्लेजेंट, but sadly we cannot go back to it. Past time was very pleasant, very good, very happy, but one thing is sad that we cannot go back to our past. The present is a time when you prepare for the future, which is unknown but exciting. Present time is the time when you are going to prepare for the future, which is unknown. We don't know what is going to happen in the future. हमको पता नहीं है फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है, but that will be very exciting. हम always excited रहते हैं कि फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है. So in this poem the poet has compared the time, that is past, present and future. पास्ट के बारे में पोएट कहना चाहते हैं कि पास्ट का टाइम तो बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत प्लेजेंट था, बट हम पास्ट में वापस जा नहीं सकते. और प्रेजेंट टाइम ऐसा है कि हम फ्यूचर की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, जो कि हमको पता नहीं है कि फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है एक्चुअली, बट हम उसकी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. बट इट इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग. ये बहुत एक्साइटिंग है कि फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है. नाउ वंस अगेन आई विल रिसाइट द पोएम. जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली. Tell me, smiling child, what is the past is like to thy, an autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future, happy one, a sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. I hope you have understand the poem. Now you have to learn and recite together with proper rhythm. Thank you.